Welcome friends to the e-learning online course on designing e-resources batch 3 from RO Raipur. Submission of quiz and assignment through Google Form. Quiz and assignments on lessons are to be submitted online through Google Form. The link of the Google Form will be shared through email and WhatsApp every day. And the schedule for the quiz and assignment has already been sent to your email ID. In this video, you will see how to submit quiz and assignment every day. The link for the Google form containing the quiz and assignment will be sent to you. Open the Google form. The link will be sent through your Gmail account, email account, or your WhatsApp also. Answer the quiz questions. Attach the files for the assignments and submit the Google form. You have to follow the schedule. Let us see how it can be done. In your mail, you will get an email like this: online course Z Mumbai batch 3 quiz and assignment 1. This will start from Monday 27th. The next day you will get quiz and assignment 2, 3 and so on. Please refer the schedule. Click it. You will get the link to that form. Click that fill out form and the batch 3 quiz and assignment or batch 3 will open. And it will also mentions it comes from which lesson, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5 like that. Okay. Fill your name, fill your designation, fill your name of your KV, your roll number at the list of participants. This roll number list of participants PDF file will be shared with you. Please note down your roll number. The serial number is your roll number. Please note down your roll number 1 to 44. I repeat, please note down your roll number. This roll number is to be used for all the 9 quiz and assignments. Please mention your roll number correctly. Please mention your roll number correctly. Your roll number as per the list attached here. Okay. Then answer all these questions. After these quizzes are answered, you have to do some assignments. The assignments may be in the form of attaching files or giving the URL link for the file. Now let me tell you how you have to attach the file. Now here, after all the 10 questions are answered, these 3 are you have to present to the assignment compulsory. Here you click add file. Here what is asked? Upload the Word file, upload the PDF file, upload the PowerPoint presentation made by you. Click this add file. Remember, always try to upload a file presently or fresh made by you. Don't try to upload a Word file which is already made by you, because for these assignments you have to make a fresh file which will be very simple. For example, a Word file if you want to make, it may contain only 1 page and with some conditions, and PDF also the above Word file converted into a PDF. This PowerPoint presentation also maximum 3 slides. Therefore, try to avoid the Word file or PDF or PowerPoint presentation already made by you. Okay, now how to upload the Word file? Click this add file. It will take you to upload or my drive or previously selected. Upload means it will upload from your computer. My drive means it will upload it from your Google Drive. Upload, select file from your device. In this chapter already we have discussed that you have to gather all the files and assignments which you are making, all the files you are making in a folder. For example, I have created a folder class 10 max in which I have made some subfolders, Word document and all. I click this Word document. Whenever you are submitting your any document, the document name should contain your roll number and your name. Your roll number and your name. Click it and then open. Now upload it. Now it got uploaded. Now again PDF file, the same thing, click add file, go to the folder in which it is there already. Now this is the PDF file, your roll number followed by your name, rename it, open, upload. Now it has got uploaded. Then again this is a PowerPoint presentation, add file, select file, then PowerPoint presentation is here. Again I have made roll number followed by name, that is the name of the file. Upload. Okay, now these three got uploaded. Remember, you have to upload the respective file in their respective places. Word file means Word file to be uploaded, PDF means PDF to be uploaded, PowerPoint means PowerPoint is to be uploaded, video file means video file to be uploaded. A URL is asked, the URL is to be simply pasted. Then everything is over, you please click submit. Remember, you can submit only once. Don't try to submit with two different email IDs. Now I think you have understood what you have to do. Open the Google form, answer all the quiz questions, attach the file for the assignments, or sometime in some quiz you will be asked to paste the URL and submit the Google form. This to be done every day, and every day morning you will get the link to the Google form through your email ID and also through your WhatsApp. Thank you friends. Happy learning.